Okay, welcome to Artwork Drawing and Design Academy. This is Vaishali Adone. I'm a painter and I also teach students since more than 20 years now. Okay, so if you want to know more about me, I will be updating my profile on YouTube. I forget to introduce myself when I make videos, so I'm keeping in mind that I have to introduce myself. Okay, and you can find more about me if you type my name Vaishali Adone, and you'll see my paintings also there. Okay, and we have been training students for many years now. Okay, so coming back to the point, today's video is going to be about 2D design. I just realized that lot of students are interested in knowing about 2D design. Our 2D design video of how our students work, it's on the top demand. So I thought I should be maybe I can help you out, you all with some tips about 2D design. So even before I start telling you about 2D design, I just want to mention here a few things. That is, if you wish to join our academy, you can get in touch with us on WhatsApp. We will send you the details. I will also be putting up all the details regarding our courses. I will attach a link to it. Okay, and second thing which I want to mention is that if at all you all are watching this video, and if at all whatever I am saying or whatever our channel is doing, if it is helping you out in some ways, then do comment and let us know, because that is how maybe I also can figure out if you all if whatever I am doing is helping out, and maybe I should do it on a more better level, and I should really be serious about it. So if you start commenting on the videos regarding whatever I'm saying, and if it is really helping you out, then it will be great, because that ways even you will be able to help me out, and even I will be able to help you all. Okay, and one more thing which I wanted to mention is that I am I am I am used to teaching, and I am into teaching, and I also practice art. So I am not used to making videos on YouTube, and that's why my videos might become a little long. So just bear with me. I am trying to learn and figure out the skill of making short and sweet videos which are up to the point. But I am into teaching, and that's why when I teach, I really don't think that how much am I talking, and whether I am uh, giving a lot, or whether I'm saying something extra. I just be a real there. So I prefer making videos like that. So just bear with me if the video becomes long. Okay. Now, what is 2D design? Let us start talking about 2D design. What is 2D design? 2D design is 2D design is what will I say? It's a subject which you have to prepare for when you are giving your BFA exams, or you are trying to prepare for JJ School of Art. I do not know the long name. It is Maharashtra AAC CET. Okay, those exams. So if at all you are preparing for this exam, 2D design is one of the subjects. If you want, I will talk more. If you mention in the video, I will talk and explain about other subjects also. But right now, I will just talk about 2D design. So we first have to understand why is this subject being there in the exam. Why is the 2D design asked for the exams? So if you see, 2D design is trying to tap on or check students uh, ability to observe, and they are also checking the memory. So memory is the one part which they are checking, because memory is always going to be there. Whatever your observation is, your observation is retained, and then the memory comes to the play automatically. So there are three things mainly. One is observation, one is how good your memory is, whether whatever you are observed, whatever you've observed, are you able to retain it, and after retention, actually uh, how are you actually able to transform it. So here your very important part, which is very specific to design, comes into play. That is imagination. How good you are at imagining, how good you are at creating narrative, how good you are at creating drama. Okay, and making something which is not really uh, uh, it's an impact, it's not real, it's an impact. So because whatever surface you have, whatever you're doing, it's in the 2D format, it's in the flat format, so you are actually creating an impact. So this subject is all about that, creating a result or creating a impact. Now what exactly, by what are you going to do this? So if I put it in a very simple words, 2D design is an attempt to to uh, to use or to understand elements of design. I Okay, now elements of design. There is again a very big confusion regarding elements of design and elements of drawing. Do not get confused with that, because there is too much of hodgepodge on internet, and then if you are a beginner, you might get confused. So do not. There is no need of getting confused with that. Elements of design. Uh, I prefer it calling elements of drawing, because it might be any kind of drawing. It is not necessary that you are always making a 2D design, yet the same elements play around in that particular drawing as well. That's why I prefer calling it elements of drawing. So you have to understand your understanding elements of drawing at a level where you are being able to create a required impact or a required result. Whatever you want, you are able to create that. So how do you do that? So there are few tools which you use for doing that. Those are called as principles of design. So if we cut down short, then there are few things which you have to master even before you approach 2D design. And those things are, you should be well you should be well you should be well skilled with color theory. You should be well skilled with understanding form, that is your object drawing has to be clear. Only then you are able to draw in 2D design. So you should have a good understanding. One, you should have a good understanding for color. The other one is, you should have a good understanding for object or a form. I won't say object, for a form. And the third one is, you should have a good understanding for composition or space, as in what will go where and how the space will be created. All this kind of things you have to know. And how will you be able to do that? So there are tools to use that. That is fundamentals of design. So you should be also be able to implement fundamentals of design. Okay, or principles of design, whatever you call them. Okay, so there are several principles of design. So जो elements है, whatever, don't get confused, the elements are there, and the way you use them to create different impacts or results uh, implies how you use the principles of design. So by using different principles of design, the same elements are going to give you different result, the same elements are going to give you different result. Okay, so now I will quickly tell you 5 tips which I see that students are making mistake around, and what are those 5 things which you should be focusing on if you are dealing with the two-dimensional design. Okay, even before that, do not approach 2D design directly. You have to first well verse yourself with color theory. You should have a good understanding for tonal value. Then you should also have a good understanding for form, as I mentioned. So you have to do a lot of object drawings, you have to sketch a lot. Directly you sit and do the 2D design, it doesn't work, because you are not able to draw what you want. Let's say it's a stationary object, let's say it's a the 2D is about what will I say, the 2D is about bicycle parts, then you are not able to draw. You don't know how to draw, then how will you approach the 2D design? Tell me. So you have to be well versed with the object drawing. You have to know how to create a form, how to understand the form. Okay, and be after once you, and also how to implement principles of design. Once you are done with this, then you can maybe approach with the 2D design. So if at all you are finding any difficulty in approaching 2D design, that means you have not been preparing for these things and you are directly jumping into 2D design. Don't do that. You will not really try to get a knack of it. And I always tell students that if you want to get into this entrance, BFA entrance, you need time. You need at least 1 year of time. You cannot just do it in hassle. Now there are few students who can do it, but it depends upon how much you've practiced already. Okay, so now quickly I'll tell you five things, five easy things which you can implement for your 2D design. So the first thing is you have to, which you have to do when you are doing 2D design. So the first thing is, how will you first thing is that how do you create the space. So the first thing is you should be able to create the space, okay. And second thing is you should be able to create drama, okay. Third thing is you should be able to help person to navigate. That means you should have a good focal point. So focal point is the third thing which you cannot miss out on, okay. Then create a border where you are not allowing the eye to go out of your composition. You are closing down on all four sides, and you are basically trying the beholder to allowing the beholder to look inside the 2D design, okay. Then the most important point is that you do not lose on the essence of what it is given, okay, what it is about. So I will just elaborate a little on each of these 5 points.